Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're new to fitness or a seasoned pro, today's video will completely reshape how you think about exercise. We're talking about isometric holds, one of the most underrated yet powerful training methods for building strength, stability, and endurance. Isometric holds are exercises where your muscles stay engaged without movement. Think of them as strength training in its purest form. They build muscular resilience, improve mind-muscle connection, and even boost mental toughness. Today, I'm sharing 5 isometric holds, performed in a specific sequence, that work your entire body and leave you feeling stronger, steadier, and more confident. Let's get started. Wall sit. The wall sit is a classic lower body isometric hold that targets your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. It activates slow-twitch muscle fibers, which are essential for endurance, and improves blood flow and joint stability. Stand with your back against a wall. Walk your feet about 2 feet forward and slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, forming a 90-degree angle at the knees. Keep your core tight and back pressed into the wall. Plank. The plank is a full-body isometric hold that primarily targets your core, while also engaging your shoulders, glutes, and legs. It's one of the best exercises for posture and spinal stability. Start in a push-up position or on your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Pull your belly button toward your spine and breathe steadily. Glute bridge hold. This hold strengthens the posterior chain, especially the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. It's excellent for posture, pelvic stability, and everyday movements like lifting. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Push through your heels to lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes and avoid arching your lower back. Superman hold. The Superman hold targets your lower back, glutes, and shoulders, helping reverse the effects of prolonged sitting and poor posture. Lie face down with arms extended overhead. Lift your arms, chest, and legs slightly off the ground while keeping your neck neutral and glutes engaged. Side plank hold. The side plank strengthens the obliques, shoulders, and glute medius, which are crucial for balance and injury prevention. Lie on your side with your elbow under your shoulder and legs stacked. Lift your hips to form a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core tight.